Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to record audio in PowerPoint presentation. Because if we include audio clips in our PPT, then it will be helpful in our teaching learning process. And in this video I will show you how to import music in your PowerPoint presentation. Now what exactly I mean I will show you by opening this PPT. I have recorded my voice and now I will start slideshow, then you will come to know that what exactly I will show you in this video. So I will now play my PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint presentation, we can record our own voice as per our requirements, or we can import audio clips saved in our device. And in this video, I will show you how to record our sound and how to import audio clips from the system. So let's continue with use of audio or how to insert audio in PowerPoint presentation. Thank you. So this is just a simple PowerPoint slide, but it is having my voice recorded. So you can have your own subject PowerPoint presentation and you can record your slide voice for your entire presentation. And once you play that presentation, then there is no need to speak yourself because you have already recorded your voice with respective slide. So now I will show you how to do this. For this purpose, I will go to new slide and I will open blank slide. Now suppose I am having text on this slide, or I can keep this slide blank also. So you consider that now the text is there and I want to add my audio. So I will insert some text, how to create 3D animation. So this is the topic of my slide, how to create 3D animation. And now I will teach you how we can insert our own audio. So for this purpose, I will click on insert. Here you can see at right hand side video and audio option is there. I will click on this audio option. Now it is showing me audio from file. So if my audio clip is recorded or my sound is there in the computer, then I can directly pick up that sound from this or by using this option audio from file. And if I want to record my own audio, then I can click on this record audio. I will go back again and I will explain once again. First, I will create new slide. I will write the material which I want on the slide, and now to insert my sound, I will click on insert. I will click on this audio, and now to record my audio, I will click on this button record audio. Now it is showing me a small window record sound. If I want to give name, then I can give name. So I will give my name Kalpit. Here you can see red button is there. Once I click on this button, this laptop will start recording my sound. Now I will click on this button and I will speak with respect to this 3D animation slide. So now I am clicking. Hello friends, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Mhatre, and in this presentation I will show you how we can prepare our own 3D animations. To prepare 3D animation, we can use free of cost website. It is known as renderforest.com. So go to your google.com and type renderforest.com. Open the website, sign in with Google account or Gmail account and make your own videos in the form of 3D animation. Thank you. Now I have stopped my recording. You can see here total sound length is 49 seconds. Now I will click on OK. The moment I click on OK, you can see speaker icon is there, and if I click on this, my sound will get played. Hello friends, I am Dr. So this is how you can record your own voice. Now I will click on first slide and I will start PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint presentation, now you can see I have clicked on my second slide. Sound icon is also there, but my sound is not playing. So for this purpose, you need to give play sound command. So I will again go back. I will select this slide. I will click here on this icon, and at top you can see top right side playback option is now available, and I will click on this playback, and here I will click on automatically option. What I did, I click on this sound icon, I click on this playback, and in start option, previously it was on click, now I will make it automatically. Now the moment the slide will be ready in PPT, it will start automatic voice in the presentation. Now again I will go back, I will open my presentation and I will switch to second slide. Hello friends, I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Mhatre, and in this presentation I will show you how we can prepare our own 3D animations. To prepare 3D animation, we can use free of cost website. It is known as renderforest.com. So this is how you can incorporate your own voice in PowerPoint presentation. If you are having some more slides, then again you can go to your next slide, click on insert, click on audio. If you want to record your audio, then click on this record audio, start recording your audio, or if you want to import any song or any music sound clip from your computer, then you just need to click on audio from file, go to respective location, select the audio and insert. After opening, again click on audio icon, go to playback, in start menu, select option automatically, and you can play your PowerPoint presentation. So this is interactive way in which we can insert our own voice in PowerPoint presentation. It is very easy and very simple to operate this playback sound feature in PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.